we're going to talk about some vowel digraphs today, specifically vowel digraphs that make the E sound. So EA makes the E sound, EE makes the E sound, and EY makes the E sound. A vowel digraph are two vowels, one sound vowel digraph. There are two vowels that make one sound, and all of these are going to make the long E sound. The E is going to say E. EA can be found in the beginning of words like in each or eat. It can also be found in the middle of words like in team and teach. It can be found at the end of words, but it's very uncommon. It happens, but it's not like it usually happens in a lot of homophones like T and C and stuff like that. EE can be found at the beginning. It's not very common. I can't really think of many other than eel that have the EE at the beginning. It's most common in the middle of words, like in the word sheep, or in the word cheer. Ear, you hear the E's making the E sound in cheer. And it comes at the end of words like it's not common at the end either, but it comes at the end of words like in chimpanzee, in a multisyllabic word. Chimpanzee. The EE is making the E sound at the end of this one. Most common of these at the end is EY, but EY, the Y making the E sound at the end of a multisyllabic word is the most common in the English language. This shows up a little bit in words like money or chimney or donkey. And now if your child's teacher has them mark or map words, when you get a vowel team, you're going to scoop the word when it's one syllable, teach, because it's one syllable because it makes one vowel sound. You circle the EA because they're working together to make one sound. I like to tell my children to give the E that macron because it's long, and then we mark it with a D because it's a digraph or a double vowel. They're two vowels, one sound. So these are vowel digraphs that make the E sound, and again, EA, beginning and middle, not so common at the end, but it happens. EE in the beginning, not so common, most common in the middle, can happen at the end. EY, only at the end. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.